I almost had two accidents a couple of weeks ago, and this almost accidents happened within 5 minutes interval. And I said to myself, what if they were serious ones and there was no proof for me to say that the other vehicles were at fault? So I had to get dash cam. I used to have a dash cam, but that was nothing to write home about. So this one has three cameras. One is for the front view, the second one is for the rear view, and the third one is for the interior view. That is the one that sees the interior of the car. And this is good for people that do commercial, like delivery or taxi or Uber, so things like that, so that you deal with different people coming into your vehicle. So you want to get the one that has the interior camera, so for safety and for security purpose. So I got this, and this is the interior camera, this one, and this is the front view camera, and the other one is the rear view. So this camera, this particular one, is 4K, and the other one is full HD, and one of them is 2K. So good product if you ask me. So, and this is the installation. This is me using the wet stuff and then the dried one, just to clean the windshield before I stick the camera onto it. So at the end of the day, I had to like pull off my own shirt because I wasn't convinced that it actually cleaned the wet and the dry stuff that I use clean the windshield. So I had to like put off my clothes and use it to clean the windshield. Then this me sticking the camera onto it, and wasn't so bad. After which I had to like connect the wires and run the rear view camera, run it to the back. So I had to like stick the old wires, try to hide them. Anyways, this me sticking the wire to the camera, then I had to like hide them around. This is me removing the previous one, and then I have to put the new one, the new wires into just try and hide them around. Do the wiring, let it be neat and tight. You don't want wires flying around your car, so it's not a good thing. So I connected wires, and I tidied the whole place up so it's clean and neat. So I tested it, and this is the interior view, and this is the rear view, and then this other one is the front view. And one good thing about this dash cam is that it has the information of your speed, the speed your car is going in. It has it, so it has the date, the time, and it's showing the resolution of the video. So it's pretty much nice. I love it, and it's going to be good for my video tips, driving tips contents, so I can easily show that this is the mile I'm going in, and I can show the back view. Say I want to reverse, I can show what I'm doing in the back. I can show my reactions in the front. It's a good buy for me. It's actually a good, and it's very clean, it's neat, the quality is, it's nice, it's not bad. I love it.